Good morning, peasants! Lidl, 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 Lidl. Hey guys, welcome to another awesome video. So it's Iron Banner week. Looking at the dates, this is possibly the final Iron Banner of year 2. In celebration of that and Rise of Iron coming out, I printed a Iron Banner shell and painted it up. This is also the ghost that the winner of my competition requested, so nailed it. 2 birds with 1 stone. These ghosts are awesome. I mean, they're just so easy to print. Once you've got the model, you adapt them, and that's what I love about these ghosts, and I'm so looking forward to the new ghosts. I mean, I thought I'd show you these ghosts, the process I went through to get this. So, check out some time lapses. So if you guys want your own 3D printed ghost, check out the description below. There is a link to my Etsy store where you can buy your own 3D printed custom ghost. Soon I'll be adding more replicas on there, such as Thorn, Surus PDX, which can also be painted as a hawk saw, and finally the Gjallarhorn. So that'll be up and running soon, and I'll let you know when that goes live. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like, share and comment on this video, and please subscribe to my channel. We'll see you guys in the next one.